I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetarian bacon. We'll start by discussing the best ingredients to achieve that smoky, savory taste and crispy texture. Then, I'll guide you through the easy preparation process, ensuring you have all the tips for success. Finally, we'll cover different cooking techniques so you can enjoy your homemade plant-based bacon just the way you like it. Let's get cooking. For your vegetarian bacon, start with firm or extra firm tofu or even tempeh sliced very thinly. The key to flavor is a robust marinade. Combine soy sauce, a few drops of liquid smoke, maple syrup, and a pinch of paprika for that classic bacon taste. Remember to press your tofu thoroughly before marinating. This step is crucial for achieving a wonderfully crispy texture when cooked. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Once marinated, you have several excellent cooking options. Pan frying in a non-stick skillet with a little oil yields a fantastic crisp. Cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and slightly chewy. Alternatively, you can bake your slices on a parchment-lined baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway. For ultimate crispiness, try air frying for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Your homemade vegetarian bacon is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect alongside scrambled eggs, tucked into a BLT sandwich or crumbled over a fresh salad. For best results, serve it warm and crispy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and reheat gently for a quick snack. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.